Connecting WhatsApp to your laptop using WhatsApp Web is straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set it up.
Open your preferred web browser. Go to the WhatsApp web website by typing https://web.whatsapp.com into the address bar. Get the QR code. On the WhatsApp web page, you will see a QR code displayed. 3. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Launch WhatsApp on your smartphone. Go to Settings, and then tap on Linked Devices. Tap on Link a device on your phone. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on your laptop screen. Once the QR code is scanned, your WhatsApp messages will appear on your laptop screen. Now you can use WhatsApp from your laptop to send and receive messages, view status updates, and more. Ensure your phone remains connected to the internet for WhatsApp Web to function correctly.